Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the website from where you can learn Java programming language. Guys, as you know our video format that first of all we will go to fiverr.com and then we check the demand and the competition of the skill, and after that we will go towards our websites. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about teach you about the different websites from where you can learn a particular premium skill which we talk about in the video. So guys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. So let's start the video. First of all, I will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where from where you can sell your services online and people can buy it. In the search bar I write here Java programming. So there are 2371 services available. Let's analyze some of the gigs. I will do Java programming software fast. Okay, I will do Java. I will do Java program using object-oriented programming. Okay, I will help you in Java programming. Okay, so guys, let's analyze these gigs and then we will go to website. This is Hamza from Pakistan. 117 orders completed and he charged $150. Source code and instructions for application. Good. I will do Java programming software fast. Okay. About his gig, I can work on Java assignment, Java projects, J2E projects, J2E SC projects, JSF, JSP, JSTL. These are the JavaScript frameworks, and he provide the source code in 3 days and one revision allowed. Okay, so guys, this is a good profile. So you can also check out his gig description, but do not copy his gig description. Take an idea from his gig description and make your own. So let's move towards our next website, which is Khurram Azhar, again from Pakistan. 142 orders completed. In basic, he charged $5. Small programs and bugs fix. I will do Java program using object-oriented programming for you. Okay. In standard, he charged $20. Small projects with object-oriented programming. In premium, he charged $45. Big projects using DSA concepts and algorithms. Okay. You can also check out his gig description and make your own gig description according to it. And that's it. Let's move towards our third gig, which is Diljit Singh. Diljit Singh from India, and 104 order completed. In basic, he charged $5. Basic Java console OOP application proper with comments. Okay. In standard, he charged $10. Java FX, Java servlet, Java JUI applications. Okay. In $15, Springs MVC, Hibernate, HTML, CSS for Spring Boot application. Okay. 104 orders completed. You can also check out his gigs and analyze his gig, and after that you can make your own gig according to it. But do not copy. I again said do not copy any freelancer gig. Fiverr will never rank your gig. So that's why. So I think our Fiverr part is over now. Let's move towards our website part. So the first website is from where you can learn Java is docs.oracle.com. Oracle.com is one of the legit websites. Java documentation. You can completely learn the Java from here. And as you can see, Java SE technical documentation, component documentation, license information, etc. So you can learn Java from here. After that, from this documentation, after that, let's move towards our next website, which is called Coursera.org. This is the famous course website marketplace. So I write here Java, and let's see Java programming and software engineering fundamentals. This is, I think, a free course. Start from September 30, means today, and as you can see, how many people are already enrolled. Skills you gain after this: debugging, coding style sheet, HTML, algorithm, software design, data analysis, Java programming, object-oriented programming, software engineering, data structure, JavaScript, etc. So this is the best website you can rely on. And the last but not the least, javapoint.com. I personally learned Java language from here, so you can also learn this from this website. So this website gives you a tutorial in a very easy English. If you are not good in English, you can easily understand this. They divide the Java in chapters, Java tutorials, control statements, if else, do while loop, Java object classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. These are the object oriented programming concepts. So that's it. So this is the website, and I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.